This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your primary mouse button in the Pop! OS operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button in Pop! OS, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to my little Applications button. I'm going to click on that. And then in the search bar, I'm going to type Settings. Right here is Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see Mouse and Touchpad. And you want to click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on the center pane, under General, you can see right here, Primary Button. By default, it's probably set to your left side, but to change your primary button to the right side, you would just click on Right. Now my primary button is on the right side, and to change it back to left, you would just click on Left. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Pop! OS operating system. Thanks for watching.